Happy Sunday, everybody. Oh my goodness, it is so amazing to be with you here in the Gospelology laboratory. Promac is so excited that you're going to be joining me today in something that's actually going to be amazing. And I am so excited. Oh my goodness, I love the Bible lesson today that Miss Latrice told you. And I enjoyed Jordan and Sierra. Oh, they were funny. Oh my goodness, it was just so awesome to watch them tell the story about how Jesus raised Lazarus from the dead. Oh boy, I love my Jesus. It was just so exciting on how he just called out Lazarus. Lazarus, come forth. And he came right out. Jesus has the power over everything, sickness and death. And I'm so excited that we got to see him raise him from the dead. Well, you know Promac's favorite raise up experiment is that elephant toothpaste. But today we got a little bit of something different that we're going to do. Now, I don't know how I mixed this up. We're just going to say, I don't know. And we're going to see what happens. But Promac brought with her some hydrogen peroxide. You remember that? And so I have my hydrogen peroxide, and I'm actually going to add, here is 1 cup, okay? So let's put 1 cup of the hydrogen peroxide inside of our cylinder, okay? And I'm going to do it over my pan right here. And we didn't spill anything. Very good, boys and girls. So there you go. Now I'm going, and this is 35% hydrogen peroxide. You can actually use your regular hydrogen peroxide that you have at home, but this one is 35% hydrogen peroxide, okay? And then I have dish soap. That's right, just some regular old dish soap. And we're gonna pour a little bit of that in there like that, like so. And we're gonna mix it up real good. I think I'll even pour a little bit of, there you go. How's that? And now we're mixing it up together. So we have our dish soap with our hydrogen peroxide. You see that? And we're mixing it up. And now remember that Promac loves colors. And can you remember Promac's favorite color? Purple. That's right. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little purple food coloring just down the side like that, so we can get that toothpaste effect, okay? So there is my purple. Now, remember in our elephant toothpaste that we have to have some sort of catalyst. That's right, you remember catalysts are what causes a reaction to happen. And I'm gonna tell you, the reaction that all it needed to happen was to get Lazarus at that tomb was Jesus saying, Lazarus, come forth. But you see all the things that we have to go through in chemistry, all of the mixing that we have to do, because we cannot create miracles, but we can do chemistry. Only God and Jesus can do miracles. But I'm gonna make something rise today. That's what my goal is, okay? So instead of using the yeast to create a catalyst to raise up the hydrogen peroxide within our cylinder, I have with me some potassium iodide. And what I did was I crushed it up really good, and then I dissolved it in some water. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the potassium iodide as the catalyst to cause the reaction. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it inside of my pan, because when it overflows, we want it just to go in the pan and not all over the place. Also, I'm going to remove everything from my desk on my science table here, just like this, so we have nothing in our way, okay? And I'm going to move it all over here. And let's see if we can make a reaction like Jesus raising Lazarus from the dead. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Whoa! 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 And it's an exothermic reaction. Do you see the smoke coming up? Did that raise or what? Oh, it was so awesome. It was totally amazing. Wow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you want to get everything about this elephant toothpaste, all the ingredients and all the experiment, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to our website at gospelologyclub.com for all of the answers. Bye-bye.